Cock soup! Welcome to episode 4. Yesterday we done Marks and Spencer's food, and that was a result. We got some good stuff there. Yep. But tonight is our last night of Too Good To Go. The problem being is this: you do get lots of food. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, but I can't eat anymore.
Too many pastries,
It's too much stodge. I think it's okay for the occasional treat, so to speak, but in the long term, you can't do it every day. You need to be bunged up.
Yeah.
Right, this is the last Too Good To Go box we're going to do for a while, as we've explained. However, we went down to
American Warehouse.
Yeah, and we've got a box of treats from there. Now, we haven't got a clue what's in it. It was £6.
£6, yeah. It was very heavy.
So let's have a little dig in. But first, I think we should listen to the American national anthem.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, so on and on art. It's what they do in America. Have a listen.
Yeah.
Right, scrap that. Scrap that. I like Joe Biden. Too late.
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. He's like everyone's favourite granddad. Right, let's have a look what we've got in the box. Oh, gosh, it's bloody heavy as well.
It is.
Shall I put a chair in the middle?
Yeah.
Move, dog. Come on, move. Put that there, look. And put the box in the middle.
If one can open it.
Here we go, look. Put it down there on the chair, look. Ooh, oh my word, look at this.
Right.
What have we got?
We have got
Twizzlers. What are they? Are they all Twizzlers?
5 packs of Twizzlers here. No, 6.
Where did these come from?
Strawberry Twizzlers. And I know these are over £2 in the shops. About £2.50 each, I think.
They're like the thing, like the laces things you used to have as a kid.
Yeah.
Used to get them out of Woolworths. I like them.
But look, loads of them.
Wow.
And actually, these are still in date.
Are they flavoured? There's strawberry and what's that? They must just mix rainbow.
Rainbow flavour.
Oh, another one, another strawberry.
We've got some Haribos.
Another one. What's this? Runts.
Runts.
That's what my dad used to say. You little runt. Here we go.
We've got some Tootsie Rolls.
Tootsie Rolls, what are
little
they?
mini bite candy Tootsie Rolls.
I don't know what half of this is, to be honest with you.
No, I don't, but the kids do. They like them.
There's another box of them. Oh, there's a lot in there, isn't there, for the money?
Another Twizzler there.
More of those.
Oh, look.
That looks like licorice.
It looks like it, yeah. That's a dark chocolate pretzel.
Ooh. So they're how much are they?
Oh, I think they're about £2.50 or more. Got another dark chocolate pretzel there.
Some more of those.
Dark chocolate chip.
What's that?
Kids are
That's the same one.
The kids will be bouncing off the walls at this rate. We've got some Warheads.
Doritos.
Some sort of fruit punch.
Never heard of that.
No.
What is that? Ever seen it before? Is that how you say it? Doritos? Doritos? Yeah.
Doritos.
Yeah, fruit punch.
We've got some Louisiana hot sauce, which you're dying to try, aren't you?
Yeah. I bet that's packed full of sugar.
Oh, we've got some Kool-Aid. The kids like these drinks.
That's
Yeah. Make little drinks.
Oh, it's like the sachet thing.
Yeah.
Just put it in it.
Yeah.
How much does that make?
I think it's just one cup.
Make 2 quarts. What's a quart?
Quart is American.
Quart? Maybe it's a litre.
Wild berry.
Quarter of a litre?
Quarter of a litre.
I don't know.
Quarter of a litre of vodka would be good.
What else we got?
We've got root beer. Oh, I
Root
remember
beer.
that as a kid, do you?
Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Hang on, I didn't think. What's the dates on these?
June.
I can't really see what that is.
Yeah, it's June.
Is it?
Another root beer. So
What's that on there?
let me see. Blind as a bat,
Oh, another one.
actually. I can't see it either.
No, I don't think it's
That
that's
one
just like a
hasn't.
production date thing, isn't it?
That hasn't got a date.
What if that goes well? What could you drink with that? Like
What
gin
is
or
that?
vodka or something.
Yeah, no, you can.
Vodka and ale, vodka ale.
No, because there's a ginger tonic, isn't there?
Oh yeah, I suppose so. Yeah.
So
Suppose that'd be quite
that could
nice.
go with gin or vodka.
You like a little tiffle at the weekends, don't you?
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
We've got some cookies and cream. They look like Oreos, don't they? The American.
Yeah, root beer. Now I've heard of root beer, but I've never tried it.
I used to have it as a kid.
Now, shall I try it or shall I save it for the kids? What do you reckon?
Try it.
Try it.
We've got another
Give
one
it a
of
go.
these. Doritos fruit punch. Is it nice? Let me
That's
try it.
disgusting. I don't know. Let's try to work it out. It's like, I don't know if that's like caramel or. Oh no! Here you go. You try it. That ain't nice. Don't like it.
Oh yes. Do you know what that tastes like?
What?
TCP.
TCP.
No, it does.
That's really.
It tastes like Not that I've tasted TCP.
Here we go.
It tastes like TCP smells. That's what I meant. It
It's
does.
like that, yeah, it's like that medical sort of taste.
It really
so
does.
why anybody would buy that? I ain't
Or
got a clue.
Dettol.
Yeah.
Go and get one, guys.
I think we can just put that down the sink. I think because that is
I quite like that actually.
And we got
Ooh,
whipped chocolate icing.
that's definitely TCP. And we've also got
I don't know what you do with that.
we've got rich and creamy frosting.
I don't know what you do with that. I suppose you put
Goes
on
on a
cakes.
cake. Goes on a cake.
You made a nice cake, yes, didn't you? That cherry bakewell.
Oh, I did.
The kids wafted it down. Yeah, but I don't know
So-
what you do with that. That is.
Yeah, that'll go on a chocolate cake.
That's April.
Is it?
So that's way past it. Although, to be fair,
It doesn't matter with
things
these.
like that, if it's sealed,
That's
it'll be
June.
alright.
That's June. These
That's
last.
June, yeah.
These will last for a long time.
So you
after.
do, you make a cake? Well,
That's it.
That's it, nothing left in there.
So all of that,
Well, £6.
£6 is an absolute bargain.
It is. Let me just put some of this back in here. Again, when our kids come down, they'll be like, oh, Dad, give me some. And they'll be gone with it.
Yeah, they can have some root
Yeah.
beer.
Just chuck it all back in there, look.
So you
I'm
can
intrigued by this sauce.
see what an absolute bargain that was.
Yeah.
If your kids like Twizzlers.
Yeah. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, it was
I mean,
good.
yeah. That whole lot, if you can see it there, £6. It
can't go
rot
wrong.
it will
can't
rot
go
your
wrong.
teeth, won't it? I mean,
It will, but there are so many people that
Yeah.
can't get hold of American stuff.
yeah, but I don't think I'd buy it again, simply because it is completely junk, isn't it?
Just sweets.
Well, we could have gone back
yeah.
and got another box tonight, couldn't we?
Yeah, we nearly did.
But, you'd end up with the same bloody box, you know? And I wouldn't want that. Let me try this sauce.
I bet
We've got Louisiana original recipe hot sauce.
it'll take a couple of these. The kids will be bouncing like Tigger.
Yes, right, yeah, all over the bloody place. Let me give it a go. See the date. No date on here.
There should be a
Oh, there it is around the neck. Look, it is March.
March.
So try some.
Give it a go. I'm going to have some root beer.
I can't open it. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Oh, easy.
Easy tiger.
Easy. His finger.
Oh.
Put on top. Try that. That's disappointment, isn't it?
It was a big climax and
That
then
hasn't really. Yeah. I've got something for you.
nothing happened.
It's a standard evening, isn't it? Right, hang on.
Normal night.
Oh, that's bland.
Yeah.
Maybe the Americans don't like a lot of spice, but that's meant to be hot spice.
And
All
then-
those chilies all over it, look. There's nothing to it.
But
Anyway,
if you think I don't really like spicy stuff, that's not spicy
that's
to
not
me.
spicy at all.
No.
Maybe it has gone way past its date. But you know what? I'll stick it on the shelf up there.
With the others.
Yeah. And I'll
he'll
eat it
use
anyway.
He'll still
you know.
use it.
So that's all right, isn't it? So, yeah, that's it. So that is the last box we're doing of them for now. Again, like we say, do get a bit sick of them, but we're going to go and do a bit of cooking, aren't we?
Yay.
Yeah, so you do like to cook. You make quite a lot of cakes. You
I
make
do.
some luscious dinners.
I love making cakes.
Yes. So we'll do quite a few of them. Now, I'm not the cook in this house, but I'm going to cook as well.
Yeah, you're a great cook though, really.
I am.
I just don't let you in the kitchen.
I got the first idea. I was at Asda today. and I come across this.
Oh, you did?
Huh?
You did?
Cock soup.
I'll have a bit of that.
Because what happens, when we go to Asda, and we've got a massive Asda where we live, she goes up and down every single aisle. I get really, really bored. So I went up the world food section, and they had this in there. So, you know, we'll try that, yeah?
We will. We'll have a bit of cock.
I don't know where it comes from. I think it's like some sort of African mix.
It might be Caribbean or something.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, it is. Caribbean.
Oh, yeah, carrots on the front, don't it? Yeah. Right, so yeah, a bit of cock soup for you.
I'll have that.
And also see this one. This is really weird. Fish tea. I mean,
yeah, that one.
I mean, on the back of it, it says you can make fish cakes out of it, and I don't know, like you marinate fish, but I don't know. But
yeah,
we'll give that a go as well. And also, I didn't pick it up because it's quite expensive. I saw this shitto, and that's what it's.
Shitto.
Yeah, so we're going to buy that next, but that is from Ghana.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it's like a Caribbean. Not Ghana. It's not Caribbean, is it?
No, Ghana isn't.
Ghana's nowhere near Caribbean. But I should imagine it's going to be an acquired taste, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to buy a jar of shitto and see what we can do with it.
Yeah.
But for now, you know, that root beer is really getting to me. For now, that is it for today. So enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.
See you later. Bye bye.
Oh dear. Shitto.